In this video, I will show you how to install ChatGPT as an app on your PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, it is absolutely possible. You can actually do this if you've got Google Chrome. So what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, head over to chatgpt.com, so the official website. And once you're on the website, what you need to do, as mentioned, you do need Google Chrome. This is not going to work in a different browser. Once you're on here though, come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto the three dots up here. Now on this menu that comes up, come and hover over the option which says cast, save and share. And on the sub menu, you're going to see an option down here to install this page as an app. So if you actually give that a click, it's going to come up with a pop-up window like this. As you can see, it says install this page as an app, and you can give this app a name. I'm going to leave it set to ChatGPT, and then just simply click the install button. Now what's going to happen, it's going to open as its own individual app. So you will see if I close down Google Chrome, that we still have ChatGPT opened as its own individual app. So if I just minimize this and come to my desktop, you can see we got the app installed here, and you can also use the search box and type ChatGPT, and you will see when you do this that it's going to come up as an app underneath Best Match. Give it a click and it's going to open it as its own separate app. So that is how to install ChatGPT as an app on your PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.